Got a cracked manifold here, as you can see. We're gonna fix it. So now that I've got the crack grooved out nicely and a hole drilled at both ends to stop the crack, and ground away a lot of the material around the crack so that I have a good clean welding surface, I'm going to clean it up with some acetone and we'll be ready to weld her up with some high nickel welding rod. At first I'm not going to use any filler rod, I'm just going to use the TIG torch to heat up the material. It needs to be brought up to temperature slowly so that it doesn't end up cracking. And now we can start adding in that high nickel filler rod. And now that it's all welded, we can clean it up, take a look at what we got here, and it's cracked. Man, I love cast iron. Isn't it great? Got this cute little pocket here where I couldn't get the metal to stick because of contaminants. Let's try again. Now I'm gonna try adding in some ER70 S2, just mild steel filler rod, in hopes that maybe it'll soften the weld because it's a softer steel than cast iron and maybe not crack. I don't know if that's the right way to do this. It just kind of seemed like maybe worth a shot, and I've already lost at this job, so it's better to try anything than to just give up. Well, it stuck that time, so I guess we're good. It's been installed on the customer's car and it's been ran through a few heat cycles, hasn't cracked. I guess we did okay on this one.